In this video, you'll learn how to disassemble the Selfie Booth S4. When you break down the booth, put the protection on the ground so it will protect the booth from scratches. Make sure the booth is unplugged and slowly recline it until it's flat on the ground, using the cover as a mat. Now, start the disassembling process by removing the screws at the top of the legs of the booth. Once that's done, remove the cord at the bottom and put the legs away for now. Cover the holes at the bottom of the booth with the respective screws, the ones you just removed. This will ensure that you don't lose them. Now, put the booth back in a vertical position, and let's go back to work on disassembling the legs. The next step is to unscrew the legs from the base and place the screws back in their original positions. Then, remove the screws around the back panel, and when you're done, attach the base to it. You'll see that the base perfectly matches the shape of the booth. Lock the base with the screws on the four corners, and it'll be ready to go. When you're done, you can put the cover on the booth. There's also a special case for the legs and the power cord. You can use that, or you can place the legs and the power cord into the equipment bag along with the backdrop and other accessories. Put everything together in the respective cases, and you'll be ready to go.